In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message using the three main methods inside Sinch MessageMedia. In the dashboard, I can see my usage visually. Click on this to view the reports. You can scroll down to view the outbound and inbound messages individually. Here you can apply filters for your report. You can select a date range, filter by accounts, status, contact, messages, message reports, recent inbound messages, engagement, and developer tools. Quick message. This is perfect for one-off messages, updates, or time-sensitive alerts. Just click the quick message icon from anywhere in the dashboard. Type in the mobile number, or select a saved contact or group. Then, type your message in the box below. You'll see a live preview with character count and credit usage. At this point, if you want to add another recipient, you can send the message to another contact. Just search by name, or type in a number and select the person you want to add. Then hit send now. This will trigger a prompt confirming that your message is on its way to the recipients. To track its delivery status, head over to the messaging tab and click on send. You'll see the message you just sent there, along with its timestamp and delivery status. Within the Actions button, you have the ability to forward the message. In the Recipients section, enter or paste mobile number or contact in this field. Or if the contact is already in your database, utilize this button. Select the recipients, then click Add. You can enter more than one recipient to forward the message to. Finalize the message and click on Send Now. This will automatically take you to the campaign reports, so you can monitor the status and view more details of your message. Next, if you're sending a message to a larger audience or want more control, go to Messaging, then click on New Message. Choose your sender ID, either your dedicated number or custom sender name. Now it's time to select your recipients. You can manually enter numbers, import a CSV file, or select from your saved contact lists or segments. I have also added phone numbers aside from the two contacts selected. Draft your message, and if you want to personalize your message, click on the Personalization drop-down. From here, you can insert merge fields like first name, phone, email, and more, helping you tailor each message to your recipients without manually updating each one. Again, you'll see a preview on the right. When you're ready, hit Send Now. Lastly, you can also start a one-on-one conversation right from your inbox. Click New, enter the mobile number or contact name. This creates a conversation thread, like a chat view, where you can see replies and send follow-ups in real time. Since this number is not saved in the database, I'm going to add a first name and a last name. Then I'm going to write my message and hit Send. If you need help implementing what we've covered, contact the SOS Consulting Team. For any system-specific concerns or troubleshooting, please refer to the Sinch MessageMedia Help Center for expert guidance and other available user guide documentations.